Welcome to your 5-minute wind-down ritual. For the next few minutes, there's nowhere else you need to be and nothing you need to do. This is simply a moment to slow down. First, put the phone to bed. If you can, place your phone face down or somewhere out of reach. Give yourself permission to disconnect for just 5 minutes. Now, dim the lights. Let the room become a little softer and quieter. Notice how your body responds where there is less light, less stimulation, and less to pay attention to. Choose something that helps you settle. It might be a warm cup of tea, a calming scent, a little balm on your wrists or temples, or simply the feeling of getting comfortable. There's no right way to do this. Choose whatever feels good tonight. Now, put your eye mask on. Let the darkness do some of the work for you. Allow your forehead to soften. Unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Rest your hands somewhere comfortable and notice the surface supporting you. Now we'll take a few slow breaths together. There is nothing to force. Just breathe deeply and gently. Breathe in through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe out slowly for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, and out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's continue. In for 4, 3, 2, 1, and out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you breathe, notice whether you can soften just a little more. You don't need to make yourself sleep. You don't need to clear your mind. Thoughts can come and go. Simply notice them, and then bring your attention back to your breathing. Keep breathing in for 4 and out for 6 in your own rhythm. Feel the weight of your body. Let your eyes rest behind the mask. Relax the muscles around them. Soften your cheeks, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Let your breathing return to whatever rhythm feels natural. Just breathe slowly in and slowly out. Whatever happened today can stay outside these few minutes. Tomorrow can wait. Right now, your only job is to rest. Take one final slow breath in and let it go completely. When you're ready, let this quiet moment follow you into the rest of your day. You don't have to do everything at once. Sometimes 5 quiet minutes is enough. And whenever you need a little help slowing down, Help Me Sleep is here to help you find your way back to rest with simple rituals, better nights, and brighter mornings.